Good morning. Good morning. Happy Saturday, everyone. We are super excited about all that's happening with our incredible company. I'm just going to give a couple of seconds to have people hop on. If you are joining me live through Facebook, go ahead and put in the comment section, say hello so I know that you're here. And obviously, if you're watching YouTube, you can't do exactly that. You can put in the comment section, but I won't see it given that we're with StreamYard. Also, give StreamYard permissions right above if you're on Facebook to actually use your name. Good morning, Amanda. I hope you're feeling better. Awesome to see you always. I'm just going to dive right into it. For those of you I've not yet met, which is probably a lot of you, my name is Mary Amoedo. Good morning, Andy. And together with my husband, Richard, we are the global master distributors with Velovita. And we are super excited about all that's happening right now. I do want to, real quick, remind you guys, if you're on Facebook, go ahead and tag your friends so they can jump on or they can view this later as well. So my husband and I, we've been in this incredible profession for about 15 years now, which has flown by. And we were with our previous company for 13 and a half years, and it was amazing. I had no idea I would absolutely fall in love with this incredible profession. And in that business, we were able to get financially free and live off of residual income. We've been able to live off of residual income for 13 years now. It's been incredible. We made millions of dollars, but more importantly, we helped a ton of families in that process, and it was amazing. We even had a chance to live overseas in Japan with that company as we helped them launch their first international market in Japan. And we lived in Japan with our 3 kids for 18 months, and it was an incredible experience. It gave us a taste of a global business and really being able to be mobile and build an incredible business. So we got that global bug. But unfortunately, when we got back to Texas at the end of 2018, we knew that the opportunity had changed. And bringing new people in, they didn't have the same opportunity we had when we first started. So we knew it was time. We started looking for a new company in 2019, and we didn't think it was going to take us that long to find a great company. But we were looking for a company with incredible leadership, with experience in our profession, that really understood how to grow and scale a global business, and with finances that could back them to really grow and scale the business. And we also were looking for a company that had really great products, not just some other Me Too product, not just some other skincare, not just some other supplement, vitamin. We wanted products that were cutting edge and unique in the marketplace, a real category creator. And we also really, really wanted an incredible culture, because we wanted a culture we could really be proud of, something that we could bring our kids into and have them grow as well. And we were super discouraged when we started looking, because we spent an entire year looking, and we realized at the end of 2019 that the unicorn we were looking for did not exist. We talked to a lot of CEOs. We looked at a lot of products. We talked to a lot of master distributors, and we just did not find a company that checked off all the boxes. And in that season, we spent a lot of time talking to our really good friend, Costa Guerra, who is the CEO of Velovita. And we had known Costa for about 12 years. He had been an incredible, we met him through the industry, through some mutual friends. He became a great friend and a mentor to us in the profession. And he always helped us grow and scale our business. Even though he had no vested interest, he was just a great person and who loved this profession and wanted to see people win. And so we spent a lot of time talking to him. He had already retired himself twice from this industry. At the time, he actually had a company that did a lot of back office support for new network marketing companies. So they did the call center, they did the IT, they did logistics, distribution, media production, social media. So he knew a lot of companies. And so we spent a lot of time talking. I think at the end of the year, he was just as frustrated as we were that he could not help his friends find a great company. And he had no vested interest in where we landed at all whatsoever. And at the beginning of 2020, we thought we're going to just stay put where we are. We're going to collect our residual. We're going to wait for the right company to come along. And thank God in February, Costa called us and said, hey, I am coming out of retirement and I'm going to start my own company. And we knew this would be it. We knew he was going to create the most incredible company. Costa had already designed compensation plans for 11 different companies. He had been in the industry for almost 30 years. He had seen a lot of things. And we just knew it would be amazing. And when we started our very first product, I'm not going to go into all of them in detail, but this is our first product we launched with. It's called Brain Reimagined, and it is in a classification called nootropics. And nootropics are typically mental clarity supplements, but typically are in pill form. Obviously, this is not pill form. Look at this super sexy packaging. It's smaller than the palm of my hand. Guys, you can literally put it in your shirt pocket. And we call these snaps because how you administer it is you snap it in half and this little slit opens up on the edge and you just squeeze the contents directly in your mouth. And you're going to feel it just like that. And it's super sexy, super sleek. There's no pill. There's no powder. You don't have to have water. You don't have to mix it with anything. You don't have to shake it in a bottle. I love that I can see someone, give them a snap, boom, they can try it right then and there, which is phenomenal and amazing. People are producing the most incredible results on Brain. And then in January, we added this little baby. It's called Zleam. It's sleep and slim all rolled up into one. It's going to help you fall asleep, stay asleep, get deep sleep, and it's going to help you lose weight, lose inches, lose inflammation while you sleep. That is like a dream come true for a lot of us. And so it's been a really, really great product, but we've got a third one in the making that's phenomenal. It is going to be off the charts, amazing. It will be a game changer for the industry for sure, without a shadow of a doubt. I anticipate that it will be our new flagship product. It is that amazing. So I am super excited. That's coming out this fall, and you're absolutely going to love it. Now, we knew Costa was going to create an amazing compensation plan, but what he did really put the best into our compensation structure. And it is designed for someone who, if you just want to make a few extra $100 just to give yourself some breathing room every month, we can do that. We got a place for you. If you're someone who's looking to make an extra few hundred, maybe a couple $1,000s a month, maybe be able to replace a part-time job or even replace your full-time job, we got a place for you too. And also, if you're looking to create some real crazy wealth, making 6 figures a month or even 6 figures a week, we got a place here for you too. So our compensation plan is a dual team structure with a matching unilevel bonus structure. Now, what does all of that mean? It means that you're only building 2 teams in this business, a right team and a left team. And what's great about that is the people you start with are the people you're going to finish with. There's no bring in your duds first so that you can climb your way to the top. Or, if you bring in your good people, they're going to break away from you. None of that happens here. So let's say you're a super strong recruiter and you've recruited 50 people in your lifetime in the business. Well, you're going to take those 50 people, you're going to put half on one side, half on the other. And those first 2 people, you get to bless them with the next 2, with 49 others. And then the next 2 people, you get to bless them with 48 others. And the next 2, you get to bless with 47 others. You have a chance to bless your entire team because you're a super strong recruiter. Well, on the flip side, if you're not a super strong recruiter, you're going to get help from your sponsor building one of your 2 teams. You're literally going to be building this together, which is the reason why so many people are experiencing winning right now in our business. So and with our matching bonus structure, the people that you sponsor and the people they sponsor and the people they sponsor, as you move up in leadership, you're going to get a percentage of whatever they make in team commissions, which is amazing. And for those of you who are super strong recruiters or you've built an organization before, you are going to get paid on every single level of every single person you bring into the business and every single person they bring in and every single person they bring in and they bring in. In our previous company, we only got paid on 7 levels. We literally had people who are on our 20th and 30th level that we worked with very, very closely because they were in our organization, but we didn't get paid a dime on any of their efforts, but we worked with them anyways because that is the right thing to do. Not in Velovita. Whether your business is 10 levels deep, 100 levels deep, or 10,000, 100,000, a million levels deep, you're going to get paid on all that, which is incredible. Now, timing is so important in this business. You are finally at the right place at the right time with the right people. We are only 13 months young, yet we are already in 32 countries: US, Canada, Mexico, Japan, the United Kingdom, and the entire European Union, entire European Union. So there are so many things that are happening. I can't get into all of them in detail, but I can tell you this rocket ship is taking off. Whoever it was that invited you to this webinar, this live, this Zoom, however you're watching it on, remember, they're building only 2 teams. They got 2 open slots on their teams, their left team and their right team. And they're going to put you in the next open slot. But you are not the only person they are talking to. So whoever comes in is going to get the next open slot. If you hesitate, you might miss out on having 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 people in underneath you. It's so much better to have them underneath you than have them above you. So I urge you, if you're looking at this and you think, listen, this sounds really great, I really want to do this, get whatever questions you have answered. Maybe you don't need to get your questions answered. You're ready to jump first and then figure out later. That's kind of how I operate. Then jump in at the top of the hour. In 49 minutes, I am going to do a detailed overview right here, 10 a.m. Central Time. We're going to go through all the slides, go through it in a lot more detail. So if you need details, you can jump on that then. Or if you're jumping on board, bring your people and have them join us. We're going to do these 2 more times today. We're going to do it at noon Central Time, a brief 10-minute, followed at 1 o'clock by a detailed overview. And then at 3, brief 10 minutes, followed by a detailed overview at 4. So we will see you all then. And for those of you who are joining us, welcome to our Velovita family. Can't wait to work with you. Bye-bye now.